Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Report. Today, we're reporting on some breaking news that could shake up the EV industry in a big way. We're talking about recent hints from Donald Trump about rolling back certain regulations for electric vehicles, changes that some say could be a huge positive for Tesla. But is it really that simple? Let's take a closer look. So first, let's break down what these proposed changes are all about. Trump's recent statements suggest he'd revisit some federal policies and regulations that are currently pushing the auto industry to go electric. This includes rules tied to fuel efficiency, emission standards, and government incentives for EV purchases. Trump argues that the current rules are too restrictive, especially for automakers that still focus heavily on gasoline vehicles. Now that Trump has been re-elected, he could roll back these rules, potentially making it easier and cheaper for car manufacturers to keep producing traditional vehicles. Now, here's where things get interesting. A shift in policy could benefit Tesla and Elon Musk more than you might think. Why? Because Tesla already dominates the EV market and isn't as reliant on government incentives to drive sales. With its massive investments in EV tech, Tesla has a leg up and potential changes could actually reduce competition. Think of it this way. Other car makers are now trying to catch up to Tesla by investing billions in electric technology, partly due to these government rules. But if those regulations ease up, some companies might slow down their EV development, leaving Tesla in an even stronger market position. They've already built out their infrastructure, from charging networks to battery factories. So this could mean less pressure from new competition. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about the potential downsides. If regulations shift and car makers slow down their EV rollout, we could see more gas-powered vehicles on the road for longer. That could impact Tesla's clean energy mission and potentially hurt demand for EVs if prices remain high due to reduced competition. There's also the environmental side. Fewer incentives and looser standards could slow down the EV adoption rate, especially in markets where incentives drive purchases. Some experts argue that rolling back these policies could have long-term environmental costs. It's not just about Tesla. This move would affect the entire industry. Legacy car makers like Ford and GM have been pouring money into electric vehicles, largely because of government targets. If the targets go away, they might start shifting resources back to gasoline-powered vehicles, where they have decades of experience in a ready market. For startups like Rivian and Lucid, it could be even tougher. They're already facing massive capital costs and struggling to compete with Tesla. Changes to the rules might put even more pressure on these smaller companies, which could lead to fewer choices in the EV market. So, would Trump's potential changes be a huge positive for Elon Musk and Tesla? Possibly. It could mean fewer competitors and less pressure in the EV market. But there are real concerns about the impact on the environment and the industry as a whole. What do you guys think? Would relaxing these EV rules boost innovation or hold it back? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the EV industry and everything you need to know about the latest tech news.